You know, the other day we were installing a system, our drainage system, and I saw this rain barrel and I made a little video about it, but I just kind of forgot to post it. So I wanted you guys to see the pros and cons of, having a rain barrel. I like rain barrels, but take a look at this. Maybe it'll help you understand what you need to do if you're a DIY and you're going to make your own rain barrel. Remember when rain barrels were the fashion? This is a nice rain barrel. The problem with rain barrels is, yes, they hold whatever this would be, 40 gallons of water, but as soon as it's full, it overflows. And you can see it all around here. It's just eroding the area. So you have to come out and put it, open this up for it to work properly. Much better would be to have a discharge up here, 4-inch pipe, so that as the water level rises, it can come out and go down over to the system and out to the street. So here's a few notes about rain barrels. When it starts to rain, what do you think happens if you don't have an overflow? Well, of course, the rain barrel fills up and begins to just spew out all over the place. As it rains more and more, the ground becomes saturated. And in this example, they actually have a concrete edge around this corner of the home, holding that gravel in place. Now it's like a giant moat, and that water is just going to go where? Well, first it'll start to overflow and end up in the yard, and it's just going to create a low spot, a flood, a puddle, out in your yard. Now you have to contend with that problem. But worse than that, because there's so much water trapped here on the corner of the house, it's going to start to enter and infiltrate into the foundation of the home. This is not a good thing. Rain barrel needs an overflow so that this does not occur. I like rain barrels, but you've got to have a discharge, and it needs to be up at the top, not at the bottom.